Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to use the weekday function in Excel to find the day of the week from a date and how to identify weekdays versus weekends. Step 1. Using the weekday function. The weekday function returns a number corresponding to the day of the week for a given date. Formula: equals weekday, open bracket, date, comma, return type, close bracket date, the cell containing your date. Return type specifies how to number the days. For Monday equals 1 through Sunday equals 7, use return type 2. If you copy this formula down the column, Excel returns numbers for each day. For example, 4 equals Thursday, 7 equals Sunday, 1 equals Monday. To confirm, you can format the dates to show the day of the week. Press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells. Go to Custom, and in the Type box, add DDD in brackets after the current format. Now you can see the actual day names: Thursday, Sunday, Monday, etc. Step 2. Identify weekdays and weekends. You can create a column to show whether a date is a weekday or weekend using an IF formula. Formula equals EF. Open bracket, weekday, open bracket, date, comma, 2, close bracket, greater than 5, comma, quote weekend, quote, comma, quote weekday, quote, close bracket. Explanation: weekday, date, 2. Numbers Monday equals 1 through Sunday equals 7. If the result is greater than 5, Saturday or Sunday, it shows weekend. Otherwise, it shows weekday. Copy this down the column to label all dates automatically. Step 3. Optional. Highlight weekends. You can add conditional formatting to make weekends stand out. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting. Highlight cell rules. Equal to. Enter weekend and choose a formatting colour like red. Now your weekends are clearly visible at a glance. And that's it. The weekday function is a simple way to turn dates into day numbers, identify weekdays versus weekends, and even highlight them visually. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.